Today I'm going to share my easy and moist banana bread or banana cake recipe with you. So come with me and let's see. First step for our recipe, I've prepared a loaf tin with scrunched brown paper. It's a simple trick I scrunch the paper underneath the tap and wet it and then place it in the tin. So it kind of goes in easier and you don't need to grease or put any oil in the tin when you prepare it. And I've preset the oven, fan forced oven, to 170 degrees Celsius. Next step we would do is add in our butter, 125 grams, and then we'll add in our dark brown sugar, also 125 grams. Okay, next step, I'm going to beat my brown sugar and butter together for a few minutes until smooth and creamy. It's all whipped together. Now I'm going to add an egg, one at a time. So I've got 2 eggs in this recipe. Just cracking it into a cup just to ensure I have no shells. There's the shell, you need to get that out. The easiest way to get the shell out is with the other part of the shell. Just scoop it up like that. Next step, we need to add our mashed bananas. So I'm just going to go away, mash the bananas and come back. I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. We're going to add our flour, 200 grams. And we're adding pre-measured 2 teaspoons of baking powder and 1 teaspoon of bicarbonate of soda. The final step, I'll mix it with a spatula and then I'll put it into my prepared tin, ready for baking. Now we'll let the banana bread cook for about 50 minutes and we'll check it, and it should be done by then because it's a fan forced oven, and then we'll be back when it's all cooked. Bye, see you soon.